Good day everyone, welcome to another tutorial on the beading class. Okay, today we are going to be learning how to make a flat beading. Not really so flat like that, but just a little bit not straight. Okay, you can also call it a straight flat beading, depending on what you want to call it. Alright, so just like we mentioned in the previous class, you need your needle, your seed bead, your sand bead, anyone, and depending on the size you are working with. Okay, so for today we are starting from this point. So you bring out your needle from the line. We'll be making use of 4 beads each. Make use of 4 beads, and just like I said yesterday, you're going to measure. Please note, it's just a little bit away from the line, just a little bit away from the line. Okay, and by the time we are dragging, alright, so as you can see, it's just a little away from the line. Okay, then you drag down. Make sure you don't drag too much. So by the time your needle is coming out, now since we still want to maintain this line, okay, it's going to be coming out on the line beside, just a little after the second bead. Okay, just a little after the second bead, and then we continue in the same order. We go again with 4 beads. Please make sure you always measure. Try and measure it before, from where the thread come out to where it's going to stay again. Okay, please always make sure you measure so you won't make mistake, and you have to be very careful with each bead because it can easily come out. Okay, so this is just what I'm doing. So you're saying it, make sure you drag it, not that you so drag it that much also, but just drag it so it can be firm. Alright, so I'll just continue like that. It's very easy for this to slip off, so you just need to be patient while working with it. Okay, so are we seeing what it's forming? So I'll just quickly finish this up and show you the final result, just repeating the same procedure. Alright, so as you can see, this is the second type of beading. Even though it's still following the straight line, is a little slant compared to what we did before. Okay, so you just need to draw your thread very well as you are working, and then this is what you're going to get. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Watch out for the next training.